Okay, dear students, we are in JEE Mathematics and we are in the chapter of Quadratic Equations. See, today we are going to finish this chapter and 2023 questions already, 4 questions we have done yesterday. Today we are going to do 4 more questions from 2023 and we will complete this chapter. Okay, next chapter, matrices we will go. Let us see 2023. Question number 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay, these 4 questions we will do. Let alpha 1 to alpha 7, that means total 7 roots are there. Be the roots of an equation x to the power of 7 plus 3x to the power of 5 minus 13x cube minus 15x equal to 0. Okay, this is equation, this is not a quadratic equation, but roots. Roots, how many roots are there? 7 roots are there, alpha 1 to alpha 7. Okay. They are asking, see, whatever they are asking, we will see afterwards. See, what are those roots? Those roots are modulus of alpha 1 is greatest, modulus of alpha 7 is least. Okay, like that you can understand. In between alpha 2 to alpha 6 will come. Okay, alpha 1 modulus is greatest, alpha 7 modulus is least. What they are asking, see, you have to find all alpha 1 to alpha 7. Okay. Then only you may be knowing which is alpha 6. Why? Because in this equation, question alpha 1, alpha 2 minus alpha 3, alpha 4 plus alpha 5, alpha 6, you have to calculate it. Unless alpha 7 you know, or else you find alpha 1 to alpha 6. That is enough. But let us see how we are going to find that. Okay? Okay, let us proceed. See, once again I will write equation. Why? Because I want to modify that equation, then only we will get this. X to the power of 7 plus 3 into x to the power of 5 minus 13x cube minus 15x is equal to 0. Okay? Let me see one more time this equation. Yeah, minus and minus. Yes. Okay? See, here least term also having x. That is why I am taking x as common. X, if I take common, x to the power of 6 plus 3 into x to the power of 4 minus 13 x square minus 15 is equal to 0. Okay, what you understand from here? See, one by one I am writing the roots sidewise. See, x is equal to 0, one root we have got already. What you are going to understand, what is that root? That root will be alpha 7. Why? Because see, naturally numbers may come plus or minus. Even if comes minus also, negative numbers also, if you apply modulus, it is going to become plus. That is why 0 will be your least. That means you can say this is alpha 7. Understand? But even though we will solve this also, see how I am doing this. X to the power of 6 plus 3 into x to the power of 4 minus 13x square minus 15 equal to 0. See, here also what I am going to take, x square I am taking as t. Now let t is equal to x square. Then this is going to become t cube plus 3t square minus 13t minus 15 equal to 0. Is it okay? Okay, here I am not taking any common. I have substituted x square as t. When x square as t, t square is equal to x to the power of 4, t cube is equal to x to the power of 6. Okay, see here we don't have any other option. You have to find any one value by trial and error method. Okay, trial and error method, or else you are unable to do. See, trial and error method means what? Already 0 once we have seen. Even if you apply 0 also, now it is not going to become 0. Why? Because 0, 0, 0. But here minus 15 is there. Minus 15 cannot be 0. That is why 0 is not another root. Okay? Only one root, 0. Now let us try x to the power, x is equal to 1 or minus 1, minus 2 or plus 2, minus 3 or plus 3, like trial and error method. See, if you take 1, by seeing itself we came to know that 1 is not correct answer. Why? Because see, 1 cube is 1, 3 plus 1, 4, plus 4 minus 28. Okay, not going to equal to 0. That is why I will take let x is equal to minus 1. See how I am tackling this question. Okay, let t is equal to minus 1 implies, you see minus 1 means automatically minus 1 cube is minus 1 Minus 1 square is plus 1. Plus 1 into 3, 3. Minus into minus, plus 13. Minus, see, not minus, that's all. 15, that is equal to. See here, 13 plus 3 plus 16, minus 15 minus 1 minus 16, that is equal to 0. LHS is equal to RHS. That means, see, t is equal to minus 1 is 1 root. Wait. If t is equal to minus 1 means t is what? X square. That means see, x square is equal to minus 1. X is equal to plus or minus I. Okay? Your x will be plus or minus I. Why? Because the minus I, if you minus 1, if you apply square root, plus or minus I will come. Square root of minus 1 is your I. Okay, that too plus or minus I. Okay, now wait. Now this equation how we are going to change? Observe carefully. I am dividing this equation with t plus 1. Why? Because t is equal to minus 1 means t plus 1 is equal to 0. T plus 1 is equal to 0. Then with this t plus 1 I am dividing this equation. Okay, equation you see t cube plus 3t square minus 13t minus 15. If I divide, you see 3t cube is there. That means t square I will take t cube plus t square. Okay. If you subtract this cube is can cancel out. See 3t square minus t square. 2t square minus 13t you bring down. Okay. 2t square has to get t is there. That means plus 2t you take. 2t into t, 2t square. 2t into 1 plus 2t. Okay. And now 2t square going to get cancelled out. Minus 13t minus 2t minus 15t. Then you bring down this 15 minus 15. See t minus 15. Minus 15 if you take minus 15 into t minus 15t minus 15 into plus 1 minus 15. This is going to become 0. That means see t minus 1 t plus 1 into t square minus 2t minus 15 equal to 0. See, t plus 1 equal to 0 we have already solved. T is equal to minus 1, x square is equal to minus 1, then x is equal to plus or minus I. See here two roots are there, whether these may be alpha 6 or alpha 7 or we don't know. Let us conclude, then only we will decide. Okay, but I have written, I have boxed, all roots I have boxed. Alpha 1, alpha 2 and all afterwards also we have write. Okay, that is not a problem. See now, you take this equation and solve. See, minus 15 and minus 2 has to come. You see, 3 into 50, 3 into 5, minus 15 and minus 2 has to come. That means if 5 minus 3 is 2, but if I take minus 5 plus 3, minus 5 plus 3, you see, minus 5 into 3 minus 15, minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2, okay. Now I am writing like this, you see. T square, see this I am putting like this, okay. See, t square plus, no, minus 5t. Minus 5t plus 3t minus 15 equal to 0. Is it okay? Why? Because minus 5t plus 3t minus 2t. Now we take t common, t minus 5. Again t minus 5 is equal to 0. See 3t has to come. That means see plus 3 if you keep plus 3t minus 15. Okay. That means see t plus 3 into t minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. See t is equal to minus 3, t is equal to 5. Okay. What is t? X square. X square. That means once again you write x square is equal to wait a minute. Is it correct? Minus 15. Okay. See here plus 2 is there here, minus 2 I have written. That is why I am getting confusion. Okay. See 2t plus is there. Afterwards minus has to come. Plus 2 means this equation is going to change. Okay. Then I think t square plus 5, 15 minus 3t has to come. Okay, that means plus 5 minus 3 plus 5 minus 3. That means see minus 3 plus 5. Okay, then t is equal to 3 and t is equal to minus 5. Okay, like that it has to come. Okay, small mistake happened, you correct it. Okay, now go back. X square is equal to t, x square is equal to 3, then x will be plus or minus root 3. Okay, this also you box. Okay, now see x is equal to plus or minus root minus 5, that is equal to plus or minus I root 5. Is it okay? There I into 1, here I into root 5 plus or minus. Okay, this also I have to box. Why? Because see total 7 roots have to come. Here 2 roots, here 2 roots, 4 roots, 2 roots, 6 roots, 1 root, 7 root. Now you tell me which is x alpha 1, which is alpha 7. Highest is how much? Why? Because the modulus you have to keep. See here, what I want to say, minus I root 5 modulus is equal to plus I root 5 modulus. Is it okay? Yes, why? Because when you apply modulus, it is okay. Now, one thing I want to tell, what is the value of I? Minus 1 whole power 1 by 2. Okay? See, when you apply modulus, automatically this is going to become 1 power 1 by 2, that is equal to 1. Okay? Now, see, when you apply modulus, automatically this is going to become root 5. When you apply modulus, then only see here, for sake of which is bigger or smaller, we are applying modulus. Afterwards, for answer, you have to take normal number only. Okay? You understand that one very clearly. That means I can say root 5 will be alpha 7. This is equal to alpha 6 also. No, I will tell. Root 5 will be alpha 7 means see. Yeah, why? Because see, when you apply automatically, you cannot say which one is bigger or smaller. We can say I5, I6, I6, I7. Sorry, alpha 6 and alpha 7. That means alpha 6 is equal to alpha 7 is equal to root 5. Not this one. See, modulus of root 6. Modulus. Okay, modulus I am keeping. Modulus. Without modulus means again meaning is going to change. Okay, now go back again. Now see, 0 is always alpha 7, why? Because least alpha 1 and alpha 2. Sorry, alpha 1 and alpha 2. Highest. Alpha 1, alpha 2. Alpha 1, alpha 2, root 5 has come. Root 3, if you apply modulus, automatically minus also going to become plus. That means see, modulus of plus or minus root 3 is equal to modulus of alpha 3 and modulus of alpha 4. Okay, next bigger, next smaller is this one, plus or minus 1 will come, na? Okay, plus or minus 1 will come. That means see, plus or minus I modulus is equal to modulus of alpha 2 and modulus of alpha 3. Okay, now go back again. Alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, alpha 4, alpha 5, alpha 6. Sorry. See, wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6. 5 and 6. This is 7. Okay? That is see, biggest is root 5, biggest 1 and 2. Okay? Next biggest 3 and 4. 1 and 2 over 3 and 4. Next biggest 5 and 6. Least is alpha 7. Now go back again. Now alpha 1 into alpha 2 minus alpha 3 into alpha 4 plus alpha 5 into alpha 6 is equal to. See, now you don't require alpha 7. Okay, you have calculated, that's all. See, alpha 1 into alpha 2 means root 5 into root 5. No, I root 5 into I root 5. Okay, don't confuse. That means see, I root 5 into minus I root 5. Okay, see, here modulus is not there. Here modulus is there. Here modulus is not there. That is why alpha 1 and alpha 2 are I root 5 or minus I root 5. Okay, minus next biggest is root 3 plus root 3 and minus root 3 plus root 3 into minus root 3. Okay, this is minus plus alpha 5, alpha 6 plus I into minus I. Understand? Now you tell me root 5 into root 5 is equal to 5. I into I square minus 1 minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 plus 5. Okay? Minus root 3 into root 3 3, but no, maybe minus into minus plus 3. Okay? I into I square minus 1 minus of I square is plus 1. That is equal to 5 plus 3 plus 1, 9. This will be your answer. Okay? Let us go for next question.